Hey friends, today we're diving into the fascinating world of emotions and feelings. Let's create a wonderful chart with me. We're getting creative with a variety of vibrant washi tape colors to divide the space into 6 separate sections. Let's do coloring. Let's paint the facial expressions and express the feelings. These words are typically used when you are experiencing intense feelings of anger and frustration. When you're feeling a bit lost, these words might help clarify things for you. When you are feeling calm and at ease, why not share these words? It's a time for happiness, so let these words inspire you. When you're feeling low, express yourself with these words. Feeling anxious, describe yourself with these words. For even more captivating videos, be sure to subscribe and like.